What is up, you guys? In today's episode number 5 we are going to show you how to order floor mats on our website, and again we are going to use DAF as an example. So you go to the DAF section with DAF Eco Leather engine cover and floor mats. You click on that one, and after that you've got the choices of DAF 105, DAF 106, and you can choose only driver and passenger mats, only engine cover. That would be the full set, that one here. You can add additional door cards, grab handle wraps, small dash mats as well, and steering wheel column base. So there we go, and let's do the full one. So that means engine cover and the floor mats. So on that one, the basic price is £210, as you see on the picture, and that is for sides, engine cover, and driver as well. So we've got a few options on that one here, so let's have a look. We've got driver side, so we can choose right hand drive, because remember guys, we do right hand drive, but we can do left hand drive as well. So if you are in a different part of Europe or around the world, it's not a problem, we can do left hand drive as well. Just give us a shout. Okay, so we've got the driver side. The second thing is patterns, so that is standard or smooth. The standard one is that what you can see on the main picture. We call it diamonds or standard as well, and the smooth is just a smooth pattern without any little holes in here, things like that. So let's go with the standard one. Okay, the second bit is the gearbox. It's very important to give us the right information, because you have automatic and manual. Not many of them are coming as manual these days, but some of you guys with the older models, you do have them, so it's very important to get this correct. Next part is main color, and the main color, that means, as it says, the main color of the mat. So let's go with brown, for example. And now we've got information about embroidery. As you see, driver and passenger mat text, that means it's the text on the side of the mats in here, shown in the picture. Basically it's going to be something written in that corner and something written in that corner. Very popular is the lose the boots, lose the shoes, anything like that. So that's what it says. Engine cover text, that means it's going to be a text in the middle part of your mat. Can be anything like DAF 106, stuff like that, or you can have any sayings. That's what it's all about. The next one is driver and passenger mats custom logo. But guys, remember, we do need that logo in PDF format or vector format, because if you just send us a picture or anything like that, unfortunately our designer cannot do anything about it. So we do need to have it in vector format or PDF format. So that's the one, and again it's on the left and right hand side. And the same story is with custom logo on engine cover. So let's do driver and passenger mat and engine cover text. So we've chosen these two options, and that means we're gonna have some writing just across the middle part, side here and the side here. Again, if you have any special request you would like to say, for example, that's the good point as well, because when you choose the text on your mat, we do need a font which you would like to choose, and any special signs, and always as well we do ask to send us a message with the written sign what you want to have, as nicknames and things like that. They might sound a bit different, but they are spelled a bit different. That's why we always require that, and that's even a good time to put it here. So let's say you put I love my nanny, so you just put that one here like that. I love my nanny. Here we go. And for example, we do know that you require something like that. You can put font, there we go, Arial, for example. And that information would help us a lot to get it done good in the first place. So let's say we've got that one. Of course, the quantity it's one. And do remember, guys, these products are custom made, so it takes about 3-4 weeks to get them done. They are not in stock all the time, so that's the thing. Because sometimes we do have questions where my things are going to be ready, and we try to get them done as soon as possible, but do remember it takes 3-4 weeks plus postage to get everything done. Okay, so we've got all the options chosen already. Right hand drive, standard pattern, gearbox automatic, main color brown. We've got the text as well. So we press add to cart. There we go, and it comes up with the price of £250. You can double check everything here, and you see special request I love my nanny and the font, embroidery, all the informations. And after that we press checkout. Okay, now we've got the checkout screen, and as you know, guys, in episode number 4 we have explained everything how to pay on our website, so have a look on the top right hand corner. I'll leave a card over there to this episode, and that will explain you everything, because there's no point to go through everything again. It's really easy, so have a look in there how to finish it off and get your floor mats ordered. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching, and as you've seen, it's really easy and straightforward to place an order on our website. Give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram as well. Keep an eye on more tutorials which are coming very soon. And in the meantime, guys, don't forget to have a look at our Facebook page, PimpedtruckLTD, where we always put our updates. We have a lot of photos from jobs which we have done before. You can have a look what's coming up here. There we go. All the news, all the new products, everything is up here, so please have a look. And the same with our YouTube channel, where you can see the Volvo FH4540 which we have done for Hanlon Transport, whole interior made by us, plus other things from the shows which we attended last year, and it's more coming this year, so don't forget to give a follow, subscribe, and hope to see you all at the truck show.